Oh, thank you so much. Hi, welcome. Thank you, appreciate it. I'll set bond at $1. He's not going anywhere. He can update it later.
Okay, thanks.
Are we placing a hold on the jail car, Your Honor, for the case he was out on house arrest on?
No, didn't you say he's going to felony bond hearing?
Yes. he
Okay,
is.
so Judge Glazer will take care of that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Page 11, Larry Coleman.
Your Honor, Mr. Coleman is off calendar.
Okay, thank you. All right, Garcia Guevara. Garcia Guevara. So pass him. I'm sorry, did I hear that correctly? We're passing Garcia Guevara?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
He's above here.
Do we have Jackson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Jackson. I have a note from your girlfriend that she is watching on Zoom. All right, you have a new arrest for driving with a license suspended. You have an open driving with a license suspended case from December as well. And on that case, you were supposed to be in court March 18th and you didn't show up. So let's start with that case.
Is that change of address?
I need a TPO.
Give me your address. Give her your address.
My correct address is 4807
Let me have the laptop. Sir.
Mango Drive.
1 second, sir. I'm
My
checking on
apologies.
something else.
My apologies.
What's the address?
It is 4807 Mango Drive, and that's Tamarack, Florida, 33319.
House?
Yes, ma'am. I wasn't familiar that I had court. I didn't.
And I see your license is currently suspended for insurance. So if you own a car and have a valid tag, you'll need to go to the Department of Motor Vehicles with valid insurance. You have an awful driving record.
But
You have a horrible, horrible driving record. On the new driving with a license suspended CYE, I'll set bond at 1,000. And then on G0JE, I'll set bond at $1 since the notice went to the wrong address. And those are the only two you have, right? Corrections?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So it's a $1,001 bond. Jose Galeano.
Español.
Good morning, sir. You're charged with no valid driver's license.
Muy buenos días, caballero. Está acusado de no tener la licencia válida.
You were charged July 5th of last year,
Y esto es una acusación del 5 de julio del año pasado.
and you failed to appear in court August 14th. Please tell me why.
Y el 14 de agosto usted no compareció cuando tenía cita. ¿Me puede decir por qué?
Yo pagué un abogado y el abogado procesó y logré, no sé, con los pasos. Y yo me
Well,
confié.
I hired an attorney and the attorney processed the case. I didn't know the steps.
And who did you hire, sir?
¿A quién había contratado usted, caballero?
Un abogado civil.
He was a civil attorney.
What is the person's name, sir?
Pero la
There's-
persona, ¿cómo se llama, caballero?
No recuerdo yo el nombre.
I don't remember the name.
There's no attorney on this case, sir.
En este caso, caballero, no hay ningún abogado asignado.
Judge, does he have any other open?
I'm looking.
Okay, thank you.
I see that back in 2024, you hired attorney Randy Moltash on another case, but that was in 2024. We're talking about the July 2025 case, sir.
Caballero, yo sí veo que usted en un caso de 2024 sí había contratado un abogado, el señor Mota, pero yo estoy hablando del 2025, o sea, julio de 2025, caballero.
So I'm asking you why you didn't show up in court August 14th.
Entonces le estoy preguntando por qué usted no se presentó cuando tenía cita el 14 de agosto.
Porque cuando le contraté a ese abogado, él me dijo que él va a procesar y va a esperarme avisarme qué día me presentaba. Por la hora
Because
legal, no siguió el seguimiento, pues no lo seguí.
because he told me that when the time came, he would let me know, and he didn't let me know.
There is no attorney on this case, sir.
Caballero, no hay ningún abogado que se haya asignado en este caso.
Judge, what I'm trying to get from him, since he didn't remember the name, because he is certain he hired a lawyer. He told me the lawyer is out of Coral Gables, because since he didn't know the name, I was trying to find out where. Maybe I could. Okay, Judge, I know you're not showing a notice of appearance, but it does happen.
What's your address, sir?
Yeah.
¿Cuál es su dirección, caballero?
3054 Norway 18 Street.
Repita más despacio y más alto. 3044,
24 Norway 18 Street.
3044 Northwest 18th Street.
Okay. Is it 3054 or 44?
¿Es 3054 o 44?
3054.
Okay.
3054.
So this is what I'm going to do because there seems to be some confusion on your part.
Lo que voy a hacer es lo siguiente, porque parece ser que hay una confusión de su parte.
I'm going to release you. You don't have to pay anything to get out.
Lo voy a soltar. No va a tener que pagar nada para salir.
You need to call this attorney and confirm whether they're representing you or not.
Y es usted quien tiene que llamar a este abogado y averiguar si lo están representando o no.
If they're representing you, then they need to follow up with the appropriate paperwork to the court. They will know what that is.
Y si ellos lo están representando, entonces ellos tienen que seguir el seguimiento de todos los papeles y documentos de la corte. Ellos saben lo que tienen que hacer.
If they are not representing you and you choose not to hire a lawyer, you must be present at your next court date.
Y si ellos no lo están representando y usted decide no contratar un abogado, entonces usted se tiene que presentar en la próxima fecha de corte.
Está bien.
If
Very
you don't
well.
receive, If you don't receive the notice by May 15th and you have not hired a lawyer, you need to call the public defender's office. They will be able to give you that court date.
Y entonces, si usted no ha recibido la orden para venir a corte antes del 15 de mayo, es usted el responsable de comunicarse con los abogados de oficio para que ellos le digan la próxima fecha.
Está bien.
Okay, let's go to
Very well.
Jenkins. ROR corrections.
Libertad bajo palabra.
Has Jenkins gone to felony bonds already?
Yes, Your Honor, he received pretrial services alternate 2,500 on his felony charge.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Mr. Jenkins, good morning.
Good
You have a new charge for driving with the license suspended.
Yes, ma'am.
You have an open case for no valid driver's license from July. You missed a court date on December 5th. Please tell me why.
Well, I moved with my spouse, and I'm gonna be just completely.
The address is 2035 Northwest 18th Terrace.
Uh-huh.
He was there.
I need a city zip.
Yes, Miami 33125.
Okay, I'm not gonna do pretrial services since he already had an open driving case and picked up a new one and now a felony. So bond on SRE will be set at 500 and bond on Q1E will be set at $1. Is he looking? Hey, how are you? Give me 1 second, please.
Tell
All
her,
right.
Celia, I said hello.
Let's go to Morante. This is Mr. Morante?
Yes, Your Honor, he's being held, on F-26-6140. He's out on felony bond. And on his felonies, he received no bond.
He received what?
No bond. He went to Judge GLAZER today.
Okay.
For new felony charges.
Oh, actually, it's a motorcycle endorsement. Okay, so I'll do a bond of 150 on the QVE, which is the no motorcycle endorsement. All right, going to Leva.
Español.
No, not Leva. Is this a Stafford? Who?
Mr. Stafford should be coming up next.
Okay. right, Mr. Stafford, good morning.
Good morning.
And sir, you have an open case from 2020 for no driver's license.
Yes.
You were supposed to be in court August 6th. You never showed up. Why?
Yeah, I lost track of the court date.
And you've never gotten a driver's license.
No,
And you lost track of the court date 5 years ago and you've never done anything about it?
no, I haven't been driving or anything.
That's not what I asked you.
Yes,
You lost track of the court date 5 years ago and you never did anything about it?
yes.
Here is what I believe he is saying to me. Yes, he did. He knew he got a ticket and he didn't keep track of that. However, he's saying, I don't know if it's accurate. He's saying that he never got anything at his house. What is your current address now, sir?
Well, it's 500 Northwest 36.
That's your address now.
And that's where we sent the notice.
I'm sorry, what was it? 500?
Northwest 36th Street.
Okay, so they sent it to the,
What do you want to do? Send them another notice? Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna release you. You don't have to pay anything to get out. Do not come back before me again. I will not set aside another warrant for you. You will be held next time. This notice will be sent to the address. If you do not receive it by May 15th, I suggest you contact the public defenders or look at the Miami-Dade County Clerk of Court website. Okay, that'll be in ROR corrections. Let's go to page 13, Pablo Bravo. Mr. Bravo, already go to felony bond hearings?
Yes, he did, Your Honor. He received a bond in the amount of $3,000 on his felony charge, but he's being held on F-264130.
Thank you. Mr. Bravo, good morning. English, Spanish?
English.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning. So you're here before me on the last charge, which is the no valid driver's license.
Correct.
He's driving on a habitual traffic offender. Bond will be set at 1,000 in this case. And you'll probably see the felony judge tomorrow. And then solar,
Your Honor, Mr. Solar received tap alternate $3,000 on his felony charge.
good morning, sir.
Morning.
You're here before me on a driving with a license suspended charge from September. You were supposed to be in court January 7th. What happened that you didn't show up?
Okay, when I got the notice, it was for 11 a.m. And for some reason, I had it for that it was for 1 p.m. Right? I never looked at the notice again. So
And you never what?
I never looked at the notice again. The notice that I got on the mail. In my mind, I just registered that it was for 1 p.m. Not for
I'm
11.
having a hard time hearing him. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he said he did receive the notice.
Uh-huh.
The notice said 11 a.m., but he, for some reason, thought it was 1 p.m.
Okay,
He never went
It
back
happens.
and looked at the notice.
no
and
problem.
see
It happens. Uh-huh, so,
Okay. And back then I was staying in Color Bay. I had a challenge with transportation.
listen, I got it. You missed your court date. Okay, fine, but that was back in January. We're in April. So when you realized you missed the court date, you got the wrong time, what did you do about it?
I checked that it was that I had to pay a fine or I check the listings online.
You can't pay anything, sir. It's a criminal case. So you missed a court date. What did you do? Because you had a bondsman,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
And I didn't know how to, I guess, act when it comes to that.
Okay,
I also
I'll just leave the. Not
this
going
is the
anywhere.
first time
anyway.
that I miss a court date
I-
for that.
Yeah, no. Okay. Unless you want to do tap with the felony.
Yep.
It's up to you.
Hey, Ashley, would you, Judge?
I'm asking the state if they'll agree. If they won't agree, I'm not gonna do it. So it's up to you.
Thank you. Yeah, because he got tapped and
He's saying no.
oh my God.
You have an objection to reduction of bond? Bond stays at 3,500. All right, let's go to Ruano. Mr. Ruano, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You have a new charge for driving with a license suspended. I see your license is suspended out of Broward since 2024 for multiple tickets. You live in Miami?
That is correct, ma'am.
How long have you lived here?
Since 2001.
Is there a reason why you haven't cleared these tickets in Broward so that you could reinstate the driver's license?
Ma'am, I had an accident. I was in a coma and everything. There was a lawyer that when I had, because I was in a coma and
You
everything.
had an accident when?
July 31st, 2022.
Sir, these tickets are from 2024.
From Broward.
Yes, sir.
I haven't been in Broward basically since 2000.
I understand you had an accident that was serious in 2022, but these suspensions are from 2024. We're in 2026. So I'm asking you why in the last 2 years you haven't gone to Broward to clear these tickets. That's what I'm asking.
To be honest, ma'am, I wasn't aware of those charges. I didn't know when they gave me those tickets or everything. I'm assuming it's from the accident because I have not gone back to what Broward. No, ma'am, I haven't been to
Are you
Broward.
telling me that for the last 2 years you didn't know your license was suspended?
I don't drive, man. I've been home. I was basically recovering for 3 years and 3 months,
Okay.
and I just came back, to the world outside last year on August.
Uh-huh.
That's about it, man. I was not aware of it. I would definitely take care of it. I did not know about that.
Okay, so you need to go to Broward and you need to clear these tickets. And Ms. Gordon, it's a series of tickets. It's Alpha Golf,
Alpha Golf.
Quebec Roger, Mike, and then it goes Quebec Echo, September Echo, Uniform Echo, Victor Echo, Whiskey Echo. So you need to get to Broward, you need to get these tickets cleared, and then you need to get to the Department of Motor Vehicles. Oh, but your license has been expired since 2012.
Yes, ma'am. I
So-
normally don't.
What do you want to do? 1 hour warranty. Sir, is your address 11832 Southwest 125th Place?
That is correct, ma'am.
Is there an apartment?
That's a house.
Okay, I'm gonna release you. You don't have to pay anything to get out. If you don't receive your court date by May 10th, please call the public defender's office for your court date.
Okay.
Don't miss another court date. Denary Sanchez Alfaro.
Spanish, please.
Okay, good morning. You're charged. You have an open charge for no driver's license from November 23rd.
Tiene una
Sí.
acusación abierta de noviembre 23 por no tener licencia de conducir.
You were supposed to appear in court January 9th. Please tell me why you didn't show.
Tenía que haberse presentado en corte el 9 de enero. Por favor, dígame por qué no se presentó.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Yo estuve comunicándome con un abogado para pagar el ticket ese, pero el abogado me dijo que él se iba a encargar de todo. Y pues al final ayer que me paró el policía con mi hermano, me dijo que yo tenía una orden de arresto, que no me daba.
Well, I had hired an attorney to pay for to take care of the ticket. He said he was going to he would be in charge of everything. And it wasn't until yesterday when I was stopped by the policeman with my brother that I found out.
What is the attorney's name, sir?
¿Cuál es el nombre del abogado, caballero?
Yo llamé a un abogado de la mamá de un amigo mío.
I called an attorney of a friend through the mother of a friend of mine. ¿Cómo
What's
se
the
llama el
name of the
abogado?
attorney, sir?
No sé, yo llamé a un abogado que se llama Alex Ana, que ella llamó.
Alex Ham.
Okay, well,
Sí.
Alex Hanna never filed a notice of appearance in this case. There's no record of them representing you.
Bueno, pues Alejandra nunca presentó un aviso de comparecencia judicial en su caso. Nadie de la oficina esa se comunicó para presentarse por su caso.
What is your address, sir?
¿Cuál es su dirección, caballero?
1915 Northwest 42 Street.
1915 Northwest 42nd Street.
Here's what I'm going to do because there seems to be some confusion between you and whether you hired a lawyer or not.
Esto es lo que voy a hacer debido a que parece que hay alguna confusión sobre si contrató un abogado o no.
I'm going to release you. You don't have to pay anything to get out.
Yo le voy a dejar libertad bajo palabra, no va a tener que pagar nada para salir.
You need to contact Alex Hanna's office once you get out to clarify this whole situation.
Usted tiene que llamar enseguida, tan pronto usted salga, a la oficina de de Alex Hanna para poner todo esto en claro.
If you don't end up hiring him, you need to appear at your next court date.
Y si usted no llega a contratarlo, usted tiene que comparecer en la próxima fecha de corte.
Okay, so if you don't receive that notice by May 15th, you need to call the public defender's office. They'll be able to look up that court date for you.
Y entonces, si usted no recibe una fecha para venir a corte antes del 15 de mayo, es usted responsable de comunicarse con los abogados de oficio para que le averigüen y que le digan en qué fecha usted tiene que comparecer.
ROR correction?
Libertad bajo palabra.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Let's go to Diego Cachamoros. Or Camacho Ramos, sorry.
Oh, Diego. Diego.
Mr. Camacho, good morning.
Okay.
You have an
This-
open case for no driver's license from January 1st of 2024.
Is that for me?
Yes.
Ok, usted tiene caso abierto de no tener licencia de enero primero de 2024.
On that case, you missed court January 30th of 2024. Please tell me why you didn't show up for court.
Y en ese caso, usted no compareció a su cita de corte el 30 de enero de 2024. ¿Podría usted decirme por qué no compareció?
Ya. Expliqué. No tenía, o sea, me mudé en la casa donde me llegó la citación y perdí la memoria de eso. No me acordé después de
Well,
eso.
I moved from the house I used to live before, so I didn't get notice, and then I forgot.
Okay, what's your new address?
Está bien. ¿Cuál es su dirección actual?
La actual es 458 Southwest 10 Calle, Departamento 4, Miami, Florida 33130.
My address is 4583 Northwest
No,
10th, dígame.
Southwest, Southwest.
Okay. 4583 Southwest 10 Avenida, dijo.
Yeah.
10th Avenue, apartment 4 in Miami, Florida, 33130.
10th Avenue or 10th Street?
Pero usted dijo avenida o street, caballero.
10th Street.
10th
10th
Street.
Okay, sir, you've now picked up a new charge of no driver's license. Your bond on that case that ends in XTE will be set at 150.
Ahora tiene un caso nuevo de no tener licencia y en ese caso la fianza son $150.
On the bench warrant case ending in KJP, that'll be set at $1.
Y en lo que se refiere a la orden de arresto que tenía usted pendiente, $1 de fianza.
Go to Valdez Garcia. Mr. Valdez Garcia.
Spanish, please.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. You have a new arrest for driving with the license suspended.
Buenos días, caballero. Tiene una nueva acusación de haber conducido con la licencia suspendida.
You have a case open from June of 2024.
Tiene un caso abierto de junio 2024
For failure to change your address on your registration.
por no haber cambiado su dirección en la registración.
Did you ever update that address on the registration?
¿Alguna vez actualizó esa dirección para la matrícula, para la registración?
Ya yo no conduzco ese carro.
I no longer drive that car.
And what car was that?
¿Y qué carro era ese?
Un carro que me había sacado, pero
No, sir, the make and the model.
No, caballero. El modelo, la marca,
un Lexus NX.
a Lexus NX.
You want to take his representation on that one? He is under oath. Everybody was sworn in this morning. Go ahead. That's the on the XSC. No, they can't hear you. Your mic's not on.
In case number AJSLXSE, the state announces a null pros for compliance.
Okay, let me explain that 1 second. So, sir, on the case from 2024 for the failure to change the address on the registration, that case is, that particular citation is being dismissed.
Entonces, caballero, en esta acusación del 2024 por la registración no tener la dirección, entonces ese caso queda retirado, queda desestimado.
With that ticket, you also received a ticket for improper passing and unlawful speed. I will not dismiss those, though those will be set for court and you will be receiving a new court date for those 2 tickets.
Ahora tiene 2 multas más por haber usted pasado un vehículo a una velocidad ilegal y para esas 2 acusaciones usted va a recibir una fecha de corte porque no le voy a desestimar esas 2 acusaciones.
Okay, so that leaves you with the new driving with the license suspended.
Y eso entonces nos queda la de conducir con la licencia suspendida.
And you have tickets that are suspending your license. Why haven't you cleared them?
Y usted además tiene multas que le están impidiendo tener una licencia válida. ¿Por qué usted no ha resuelto esas multas?
Sí, yo contraté un abogado para que me hicieran todas las gestiones, pero no sé qué pasó con eso. Tendría que ir a donde
Well, I hired an attorney so that they would take care of the whole process. I don't know, I would have to go to them and ask.
Who's the attorney, sir?
¿Y quién es el abogado, caballero?
Bueno, no me lo recuerdo.
No,
I
nobody
don't
ever knows.
remember the name.
No one ever does, sir.
Es que nadie se acuerda, caballero.
You want to tell me who you hired?
¿Me quiere usted decir a quién contrató?
Sí, para decírselo tendría que tener mi carpeta de, ¿sabes? Donde me tengo toda la información de todo.
For me to be able to tell you, I would have to have my file where I have all the information.
Okay, I'll leave the bonds at 150 on XVE and excess is a no pros.
Entonces, la fianza se la dejo en $150 y el otro no va a ser procesado.
All right, let's go to Ariel Mayo.
Your Honor, Mr. Mayo received a bond of $3,000 on his felony charge.
Thank you.
Spanish or English?
I don't know. Mr. Mayo, you speak English?
Señor Mayo, no lo podemos escuchar. ¿Inglés
No,
o
no,
español?
no, no, no. He said
Oh.
he speaks English.
Oh, I apologize. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Mayo, you're here before me on the driving with a license suspended charge. I understand you already got a bond in the felony. I see that you are suspended for child support. I'll set bond at 500 on this one. That's RJA. That's in addition to the felony bond. Paul Joseph.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem. Mr.
Good morning, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Joseph, good morning. You're here before me on a new charge of driving with the license suspended. You have a TPO? Need to- What do you need? Oh, wasn't him. Hold on, she's looking up his traffic. permit. Okay, he's suspended for cost. You have any objection to an oral? Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna release you. You don't have to pay anything to get out. If you call me tomorrow, I can start taking those cases out of collections for you, and we can have you a license by next week.
Oh, thank you.
So just give me a call tomorrow because you're not gonna be able to do it on your own without paying thousands of dollars.
So I had to call.
You're gonna call my office tomorrow, yeah. Your address is 1147 Northeast 138th Street.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't receive the court notice by May 10th, make sure you call the public defender's office, but hopefully I'll have you a license before then.
Okay.
Okay, ROR corrections,
I have to update it.
go to Hatfield. Good morning, Mr. Hatfield.
I'm not Hatfield, I'm Brown.
Oh, what are we doing on Hatfield?
Your Honor, can we pass Mr. Hatfield? He's still in Boyer. Can we go to Mr. Brower?
Okay, can I see his NCIs? What do you mean? You read already. No, I need the, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's okay, I just want to see them. No. Yeah, I'd like to see it. I'll do it, don't worry about it. I don't.
And Your Honor, I'm sorry, Mr. Haskell is gonna be a bond out.
Okay. I've got robberies, DUIs, several failures to appear. On Brower, I'll set bond at 1,000 with a stay away order from Family Dollar Store at 1085 Northwest 36th Street. Field is a bond out. And what are we doing on Garcia Guevara? Corrections?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
What are we doing on Garcia Guevara? You had asked me to pass him.
He's still inside of, bond hearing, Your Honor.
Set up for the PM?
Yes, we can reset it. Yeah.
You got it. All right, see you guys back at 1 o'clock. Have a nice lunch.
Everybody, great lunch.
Bye, Miss Gordon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Alec, I have the state's packet here too, so please make sure they bring me everything. They asked me to do it at the PM because he's in felony bond. I just gave it to him. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna look at a couple. Yeah, Alex, you know what happens is that I don't always look at the chat. Yeah. I try to, but 1 o'clock. Yeah, I try to, but sometimes I get so like focused.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, they're doing it right now.
You know who's coming this afternoon? Tech Ghoul this morning. Tech Ghoul. Tekgul. It does, right? No? Ms. Bach, can you do me a favor? The afternoon calendar on page 5, there's a guy named Semi Tech Ghoul. Can you run his NCIC, please? It's the only one I see that doesn't look like. See the last name Tech Ghoul? No, you look a little like your dad. Yeah, sure do. I don't think you look so much like your mom.
Really?
Yeah.
If you've seen both of them.
Yeah, like you have his eyes, his nose, like yeah, totally. I didn't even realize that I didn't realize they had gotten married. I never made the connection. That's awesome. Didn't even make the connection. Yeah, because he was doing a lot of DUIs. I can wheel.
I was like, okay, stop. You can't wheel anymore.
That's so funny.
Casey.
Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, everybody. Please stand and raise your right hand to be sworn in.
Buenas tardes a todo el mundo, que se pongan de pie y que levanten la mano derecha para hacer el juramento.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, say I do.
Juran decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad. En caso de que sí digan, lo juro.
Please be seated.
Por favor, que tomen asiento.
I'm Judge Capote Urban. I'll be handling your case this afternoon.
Les habla la juez Capote Urban, se encarga de los casos del día de hoy, de la tarde,
And I will be appointing the public defender to represent you.
y se va a designar el abogado de oficio para asistirles.
Let's go to page 1, Robertson. Video, I'm gonna switch the screen. Video, I need you to switch the screen, please. Thank you. All right, good afternoon, everybody. Okay, I need Robertson, please.
She's coming, Your Honor.
You want to make an offer on me? I think she's from another state. Robertson, the two. Yeah, from 2024. Miss Robertson, good afternoon.
Hi, good morning.
You have two open cases for prostitution, and you missed court on December 17th of 2024 and November 4th of 2024. Even though the judge had given you oral notice to be in court, the state's going to make an offer, Ms. Gordon.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Gordon, state's going to offer an adjudication CTS on the prostitution charge, and we'll get rid of the loitering and prowling and the obstructing the highway.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hold on, wait, because I have two cases.
Two cases.
Yeah.
Other case?
Yeah, there's a 14382 and a 2679.
Judge, you have corrections to on the video.
Oh, yeah. I need corrections to turn on the podium,
Ms.
please.
Gordon, give me 1 second to run the other two cases.
Yeah, if you can offer her one prostitution and a loitering and get rid of the other case, which is a prostitution and loitering and obstruction.
What were you asking?
I'm asking for one case, B24-26790. It's a prostitution and a loitering, and then can we get rid of the other prostitution?
Oh,
and
got
loitering?
it. So close both those counts and then no
Yeah.
prostitution.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. He says yes.
it is. Yes, Judge, she wishes to accept.
Okay, give me 1 second. Carrie,
Yes, Judge.
Leslie Silvero is going to be calling you right now, okay?
Okay, Judge.
She's an attorney that she does pro bono work, and I help her with the licenses, so she had a question, but I'm in court and I can't look it up, so I told her to call you.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
All right, Miss Robertson, what is your full name?
Give her your full name.
Christian Robertson.
Are you under the influence of any medications, drugs, or alcohol?
No.
Has anybody forced or threatened you to close this case?
No.
Are you satisfied with the services of the public defender?
Yeah.
Do you understand once you close the case, you can no longer fight it?
Yes.
Do you understand that means you will not have a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand that means you will not be able to come back to tell me your side of the story?
Yes.
Do you understand that means you will not be able to come back to question any witnesses, cross-examine any witnesses, or bring me any proof?
Yes.
Ma'am, do you understand this is a criminal case? If you're not a U.S. citizen, it will subject you to deportation.
Yes.
Okay, in B24 26790, I'm going to accept your guilty plea on counts 1 and 2. I'm going to adjudicate you, credit time served, 2 years to pay the court cost. I'll do the SES on count 2, so it doesn't double the court cost. And then in exchange, state.
In exchange for the plea, as to case B24-014382, state and answer the no pros.
All right, both your cases are closed. You'll be out shortly. You don't have to come back to court.
Here I have 3 counts on 8-2.
3 counts. Yeah, he's no crossing all 3.
Thank you.
Thank you. I don't even think I put that in. Oh, wait, I did it on the wrong one. Hold on. Put it in on the wrong one. Sorry, Joshua, I made a mess here. All right, let's go to Miss Stanton. So Miss Gordon, Miss Stanton, when she was with us on March 5th, even though she had already failed to appear for her first court date, we gave her the opportunity to go to the homeless outreach. And then she was supposed to be back in court March 19th, and guess who didn't show up?
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Assistant City Attorney Ricardo Alarcon on behalf of City of Miami Beach. On the current case, she's bench warranted twice. Offer would have been a PTD or homeless assistance, but at this time, we're not willing to offer that. We can offer withhold court costs if she wants to close out, so she doesn't have to return.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Should have done the first time. Wait.
Yeah, I just got that.
Got it twice. I'm going to mute you, Mr. Alarcon, because you have a voice coming through.
She wishes to accept.
Okay, tell me your full name.
Jessica Stanton.
I'm sorry, give me 1 second. Okay. I'm sorry, give me your full name, please.
Jessica Ann Stanton.
All right, are you currently under the influence of any medication? medications, drugs, or alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Anybody forced or threatened you to close this case?
No, ma'am.
You were born in the US?
Yes.
Okay. And are you satisfied with the public defender?
Yes.
Do you understand once you close this case, you will not have a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand that means you will not be able to come back and tell me your side of the story?
Yes.
Do you understand that means you will not be able to come back to question and cross-examine witnesses or show me any proof? I do find you entering into the plea freely, knowingly, intelligently. You understand the nature and consequences of the plea. In B25-26202, I'm going to enter a no contest plea, no conviction, withhold of adjudication, credit time served, 2 years to pay the court costs. Your case is closed. You'll be out shortly. You do not need to come back. Don't have priors for Everett. You want me to run her? Let's see. Just make sure she. Yeah, she didn't even make our cutoff. Miss Everett, good afternoon.
Hello.
Give me 1 second, Miss Gordon. She didn't make the cutoffs. She just had a no process on an indecent exposure on March 31st. She had a credit time served on a criminal mischief in November. Did you hear that? Okay. Yeah, M25 disorderly conduct. So it's up to you. You let me know. Oh, it's the ground. Okay. Okay, yeah, you let her know.
Yep. Ms. Gordon, at this time, state's going to offer adjudication CTS on one in exchange for no process on the other case, because it looks like she has two open.
Thank you.
Also, ASA Greg Beeson for the record.
Miss Gordon, what does she want to do?
Give me a minute, Judge.
I'm in a little bit of a time constraint today.
I'm gonna sleep. Okay, Judge, I don't believe she wants to take the plea. She's asking where she's gonna sleep. I can get her shelter, but she doesn't want that, so.
What do you want me to do?
She just wants to the bottom. Okay, you know what? I'll get me a lawyer.
They don't have, they can't get her a bed?
Can we take the plea down? There's some other issues too.
Okay, you want me to take the plea?
Yes,
Okay, which one?
whatever one you want. Whichever one.
Okay, Miss Everett, tell me your full name.
Tatiana Sharice Everett.
It's a whistle? Yes, okay. Are you currently under the influence of any medications, drugs, or alcohol? Anybody forced you to close the case?
No.
You happy with the public defender?
It's okay.
Well, I can't take the plea unless you're satisfied with her services.
Satisfied.
Okay. And do you understand, once you close the case, you will not be able to have a trial?
Okay.
Yes?
How would I get it off my record? Like the expunge?
Yes. About expunge.
That's the way that's the way I can get it off my record through the expunging.
She could try to expunge it, Judge. I cannot promise her they will.
Well, you can't expunge a
Certification.
conviction, so.
Is that a new law?
Nope, always been that way. And you only have one expungement in your lifetime.
What about a seal?
Same thing. What do you want to do, ma'am?
Okay, well, I just follow what you say.
I'm sorry?
Yes,
I say I just follow what you say.
No, I'm not. I can't tell you what to do. You need to tell me what you want to do.
So she asked you, first she asked you to
I need to make sure you want to close the case.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, and you can't come back to show me any proof or bring me any witnesses because the case is over. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, I find you're entering into the plea freely, knowingly, intelligently. You understand the nature and consequences of the plea. In M265240, I accept your guilty plea, adjudicate you, sentence you to credit time served, 2 years to pay the court cost, exchange, state.
And in exchange, as to case M26007896, state announced to the null pros in exchange for the plea.
Thank you. Ms. Everett, both your cases are closed. You will be out shortly. You do not need to come back. Let's go to Alina Otero. Corrections, has Ms. Otero already been to see GLAZER?
Yes, ma'am. She received pretrial alternate $2,500 on the first count and pretrial alternate $150 on the second count.
Thank you. Ms. Otero, good afternoon. You speak English? Spanish? Okay. Sir, ma'am, you have an open case for no valid driver's license from February of last year.
Señora, tiene una causa por conducir sin licencia vigente del mes de febrero del año pasado.
You were supposed to be in court April 15th of last year and you didn't show up. Please tell me why.
Se suponía que iba a presentarse en el juzgado el día 15 de abril y no lo hizo. El abril 15 del año pasado. ¿Por qué no lo hizo?
Sí lo hice.
Yes, I did.
No, ma'am, you didn't show up. That's why you have a warrant, but I just need to know why. Is it because you didn't get notice? What's the situation?
Que no se presentó, por eso le pusieron una orden de captura. Lo que me toca saber es por qué no lo hizo.
Y me entregué aquí después de la orden de captura y no me quisieron como que enviar a prisión y me dieron el número de la secretaria de Judy y yo le escribí por correo explicándole todo lo que sucedió.
I did go, but it was after they already put the warrant on me and they didn't want to cancel it, and they gave me the info for the judicial assistant and I sent them an email.
And?
Y después de escribirle a la asistente, a la secretaria.
Después de escribirle a la secretaria, recibí respuesta que no tenía que entregarlo, simplemente tenía que pagar los 25 pesos de corte y los 500 pesos de multa. Y eso fue lo que hice.
I'm having a little bit of trouble hearing her. She said after I messaged the secretary or the clerk or the JA, they just said I had to pay X amount of money, and that's what I did.
Okay, yeah, you must be confused, but what's your address, ma'am?
¿Será que está confundido? Pero de todos modos, ¿cuál es su dirección, señora?
Nada, no estoy confundida, sé completamente lo que le estoy hablando a usted.
No, I'm not confused at all. I'm completely aware of what I'm talking about.
No worries. You can post your bond to get out, okay?
Ok, no pasa nada. Entonces, podrá pagar la fianza para poder salir de la cárcel.
It'll be 500 is what the judge issued.
Serán 500 de fianza, es lo que dictó el juez.
Okay, let's, each one. There was a bond of 500 on each one. I'll just leave that one and then she can post it.
Ok, 500 en cada uno, pero será una fianza de 500 que ella podrá pagar.
Let's go to Ari Sherrard. She's clearly under the influence of something as well. So.
Y está claro que...
No, I'm just making that comment for the record. Ms. Sherrard?
Hi.
Hi.
Morning.
Good
Or
afternoon.
afternoon.
Okay, you have an open case for driving with a license suspended from October of 2024. And it looks like you were supposed to be in court August 29th of last year and you didn't show up. What happened?
I was moving a lot and I gave them my email. I gave them my phone number. I was also trying to contact them, but I wasn't getting through. I just went. I don't know.
What is your address now?
418 Northwest 2047.
Wait, I'm sorry. Hold on. You lost me. Start again.
418
418
Northwest 47th Street, Miami, Florida 33127.
house?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, the notice was mailed to the 46th Street address. That's why you didn't get it.
Yeah.
So, do you work?
Yes. On and off at the labor pool.
Do you own a vehicle?
Not anymore. They told it.
So you don't have any valid tags registered in your name?
It's still, the tag is still registered. I went, when was that?
Well, let me ask you this. Hold on, because I see your birthday's in November. You renewed it after November?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it's not a valid tag.
I just went and got a motion.
A motion for what?
For I can get back on the schedule for these warrants.
Oh, you got picked up. They're done.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, you do have some tickets that are suspending your license. I'm happy to, let me talk, hold on. I'm happy to take them out of collections for you so we can get you a valid driver's license. The thing is that they are going to charge you because you have two, so it's going to be, it's going to be about $316 for a reinstatement fee. That I can't waive, but the other ones I can. So she's going to give me my number. Give me a call. I mean, I can have your license by the end of next week. And I may, sometimes there's extra funds through different organizations that may even be able to help you with the reinstatement fee. So just call me and let's see what we can do.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let me have your phone number.
404
Uh-huh.
934 8372.
Okay, my assistant's name is Carrie. She'll be waiting for your phone call tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. That's gonna be an ROR, and the idea is to get you a license before your next court date, okay? All right, so,
Okay, thank you so much.
yeah,
Judge.
call me tomorrow.
And that's on both cases, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, he took it on. Copy of the TPO because they changed the DMV website. Come back to that anymore? Yeah, tell me about it. Let's go to Bellamy. All right, Miss Bellamy, good afternoon, ma'am.
How you doing?
Good, good. You're charged with driving with a license suspended. This case is from 2019.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, and you've never gotten a driver's license.
Yeah, I have both strokes and I've been in and out the hospital.
Where do you live right now?
1801 Lowest 54th Street, apartment 12, Miami, Florida 33142.
33142?
33142, yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let me repeat that. I have 1801 Northwest 54th Street, apartment 12, Miami, Florida, 33142.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objections? Doesn't pick up. Okay. You haven't picked up any new cases, and this is a non-violent crime. I'm going to release you. You don't have to pay anything to get out. You know, if you ever want a license, all you need to do is go to the clerk of court and put your case on a payment plan and then go to the DMV.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. But a new court notice will be sent to this address. If you don't receive it by May 15th, call the public defender. They will be able to give you that court date.
Thank you so much. God bless.
That's an R&R, Your Honor.
Yeah. We'll just deal with it. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's go to the mails, page 4.
Have an add-on, Your Honor?
Of a female?
Yeah. Daniela Arellano.
And what is she on?
Judge, she, I got called on the case. It appears that she did go and get her case set, but she got picked up before she set the case, and it's
No,
my
no, no, but what I'm saying is, was she being held on something or just didn't make the calendar or? Oh, okay. All right. So good afternoon, Miss Arellano. Good, good. All right. So you had already set this on a motion calendar, huh?
Yes,
And you just didn't make it.
that's correct.
Yeah, I do see it. She was supposed to go on April 29th.
Yeah.
This is Arellano. Can you run her TPO for me? Yeah, I do. Hold on one second. I'm gonna have him run the TPO. Carrie, can you set a case for me tomorrow?
Yes, Judge.
Alpha Lima 08 Kilo Roger Echo, and put on there set for pretrial. So this is what happened. Your license got suspended like 4 days ago because you had a ticket for speeding in a school zone. It's a camera ticket.
Correct.
And right, you did nothing with it, so it suspended your license. So I'm gonna remove the suspension for you, and I'm gonna reset it for court. Now, the address that I have for you is 115 Sunrise Drive. Is that correct?
Yes,
Apartment 3B?
correct.
Okay, great. So we will send the new notice there for that camera ticket. And then what I need you to do is, and Carrie, I also need them to clear this criminal FTA, please.
Go ahead.
Carrie, Alpha Mike, 8, Alpha, and I don't know if it's an O or a 0, I can't tell. W Echo, last name Arellano.
Okay.
Judge,
Yeah, go ahead.
how does it work? She told me she paid the ticket online.
I'm sorry, she did pay the ticket online, but she didn't finish paying it. She failed the payment plan.
See, I was unaware of that, and then I was unaware of the whole arrangement.
Okay.
That's fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the clerk of court, not the DMV, the clerk of court. You need to pay them $60 to reinstate the driver's license. You'll be able to do that as early as tomorrow at noon. And while you're there, you need to put this ticket back on a payment plan. Okay? Alpha Lima 08 Kilo Roger Echo. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so go ahead and get the driver's license. And then if you want to call me, we can get the case dismissed next week and you don't have to worry about coming back to court on this case. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. And your brother was saying something on Zoom, but I think we've resolved that. So that'll be an ROR.
Thank you.
Yes, you'll be released shortly.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, now let's go to the mails.
Your Honor, the only mail we have available right now is Mr. Gene Perry.
What happened to the other ones?
They had a use of force, so we have to stand by for a few minutes, Your Honor.
Put that with Sure. Thank you.
They walking in now, Your Honor.
Thank you. You said you have Perry available, is that what you said?
Yes, we can do Mr. Perry.
What page is that? I don't see a Perry.
Page 7, Your Honor.
Perry.
It's Jean.
Oh, there he is. Perry Jean. Got it. Well, I hope everybody over there is okay. 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 Uh-huh. And on that one? Thank you. All right. Yeah, you too. Mr. Jean, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, sir, you have an open case for no driver's license from September, and you missed a court date, March 17th. What happened?
I didn't get my court date. I moved
What's your new address?
2333 Northwest 80th Street.
You cut out on the end. 4333 Northwest?
2330
Oh, 2333. Uh-huh.
Northwest 80th Street.
Northwest what?
80th Street.
80 Street.
Apartment or house? Zip code?
33147.
Any objections? He has no other holds, right? Corrections?
No, Judge.
Okay. Sir, I'm going to release you. You'll get a new notice to that address. If you don't receive it by May 15th, please call the public defender's office. Because if you miss another court date, I'm not going to release you, okay?
Okay.
All right, you got it.
That was an RR.
Yes, ma'am. No. I don't know who's next, so I'm just.
They want to call Jones, Michael.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Jones, on what page?
Sorry.
He's on page 4.
Your Honor, Mr. Jones received a bond of $2,500.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Page 4, and Mr. Jones received a $2,500 bond.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Jones,
You afford like that much school.
I didn't set that bond, sir. That was set by another judge.
Sorry.
Thank you. Mr. Jones, you're here before me. No, there should be 2 cases, right? Hold on. I got them. They're stuck together. All right, you're here before me on a new charge of petty theft and possession of cannabis from Target, and then another petty theft from the same Target. Okay. On B267879, bond on count 1 will be set at $1. Count 2, 500. Stay away order from 7800 Southwest 104th Street, which is the target there. And then B267880 bond is set at 1,000 with the same stay away order. Normally they give me one per case, but however you want. Who do you have next?
Judge, I think they're going back in order. Sir, is your
But
name?
I'm missing William Fantauzzi.
Are you William Fantuzzi? He
He what?
he refused.
I'm sorry, I can't hear them.
Yeah, I know it's hard. He refused court, Judge. Can we reset it for tomorrow?
Yes,
These added charges, is he in custody on anything?
yes. He's got a whole bunch of felony cases.
Okay, Judge, then I'm gonna waive his presence.
Yeah,
and
did he refuse on the felonies too, Miss, Corrections?
Yes. Did
Oh.
he leave his presence over there?
We just passed it. Can we just pass it because we don't have the card? They're just finishing.
Oh, sure, sure.
hearing.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, well,
All right, so let's go to Gilliam. Mr. Gilliam is charged with disorderly intoxication. He didn't make, I do find probable cause, I already read it, but he didn't make my cutoff, so give me a second. Gotta see how extensive these priors are. I'm still going. It's got quite a few. I'm still going. Oh, he was just before us on March 18th on a petty theft that we closed. All right. Yeah, so based on the facts of the case, I'm going to elevate the bond. And his criminal history. I'm gonna set bond at 5,000 in this case. With a stay away order from 6150 South Dixie Highway. That's the McDonald's there.
And you said 5,000, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am. Let's go to Juan Reyes.
Spanish, please.
This is for Mr. Alarcon.
Good afternoon once again, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hi. So I see this is his second campaign. Is that what this is?
Second open, yes, Judge.
Veo que esto es el segundo caso que tiene por acampar, el segundo caso abierto que tiene.
All right, because he just closed one February 2nd. And he's got the
Porque,
open one and now this one.
porque acaba de cerrar uno, el 2 de febrero tiene otro abierto y ahora tiene este.
All right. What are you asking for?
Judge, I am asking for a standard bond in this particular situation to give you a full picture of what's going on. I'll wait for the interpreter.
Bueno, en este caso yo sí pido que se le imponga fianza para salir y le doy el contexto para que se haga una idea de todo lo que está pasando.
On the previous case on B26-4586, the public defender raised competency, but he has not been evaluated yet. So I would like for him to get that evaluation in custody.
En el caso B26-4586, el abogado de oficio puso en duda la capacidad jurídica de él y él aún no ha hecho esa evaluación, no le han hecho todavía esa evaluación, así que yo quiero que siga ahí para que se lo haga.
That's interesting because he just closed out 2 cases.
Pero interesante porque él acaba de cerrar 2 casos.
All right, I'll
The
leave,
competency was raised on April 13th.
Se
yeah, which,
planteó
sorry,
el
go ahead.
tema de la capacidad jurídica de él el 13 de abril.
Yeah, which is strange because two cases were closed in February, but yeah,
In
I'll leave,
February, correct, Your
I'll
Honor.
leave the bond at 150.
Lo cual
Thank
me
you, Your Honor.
extraña porque ya en febrero cerré 2 casos, pero bueno, dejaré la fianza así tal cual.
Judge, would you
150.
also make a note in your file that competency was raised? Because he hasn't been evaluated, and I'm gonna make a
Yeah,
note of
let
that.
me have that back, please. What was the case number? In-
B26
Uh-huh.
4586, Your Honor.
Thank you. I did that, Ms. Gordon.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. That's all the business for the city this afternoon, Your Honor.
thank you.
Have a good afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, Ms. Gordon.
Great, see you tomorrow.
Have a great day.
All right.
Bye, Mr. Beasley. Thank
Ira
you.
Noels. You go to felonies already?
No, Your Honor, he'll be going over name.
Okay, sir, you're before me on a false name ID case. From August, you were supposed to be in court December 15th and you didn't show up. What happened?
Okay. He said he didn't get a notice. He didn't know what was going on.
What's your address?
48 Southwest, 14800 Southwest 160 down.
Where what? Want to do a dollar bond on this one? She's gonna hold them. Okay. All right, $1 bond on this one.
Two counts, Your Honor, $1 each.
Oh, it's 2 counts? I only had, oh yeah, 2, yeah, $1 each. Mr. Tekel? Good afternoon, sir. You're charged with 1 count of criminal mischief. I have reviewed the arrest form. I do find probable cause on, I think it's an M2. I don't think I have value. One second, I had pulled the NCIC. How long have you lived in Miami?
I lived in Miami since 2021, around 5 years. Everything stated there is not.
What do you do for a living?
So right now I'm between jobs. My last job was in H2O Cafe restaurant at Sunny Isles. That's where I live.
250 181st, number 209.
Yes, 251 so 250 181st. It's my previous address. I just moved like a month or 2 months ago to new address. Which is 251 174th Street, Sunny Isles Beach. Close.
I'm sorry, you moved, yeah. That's Winston Towers, right?
Yes, Winston Towers.
250 174th?
251-174.
That's where you just moved to?
Correct.
What's the apartment?
1714.
Is 174th Street or Drive?
It's street, 174th Street.
Apartment 1714?
Correct, ma'am.
Where did you live before you moved to Miami in 2021?
I was living in Orlando. I became American citizen in Orlando.
How long have you been in the United States?
Like 19 years, 18.
There's no criminal history.
Like 15.
You didn't hit her. You want to do pretrial services? Okay, let me ask you something. You have no criminal history. You've been in this country 19 years. Do you have the name and number for somebody that can confirm that you live at 250 174th Street?
Correct. We can call my phone number. My girlfriend will pick up. The girlfriend that mentioned.
Okay, perfect. Let me have her phone number and let me have her full name.
So this is gonna be actually my phone number since I don't remember her phone number. She holds mine. So
Perfect. That's fine, as long as she can answer it, because they're going to call her.
absolutely.
Uh-huh.
754 364 8360.
What's her name?
Her name is Patricia.
Okay, so here's what I'm inclined to do. Assuming that they can confirm that you live at that address, I'll release you today. You do not have to pay a bond. It will be a supervised release. You're being released to pretrial services. You must report to them when they tell you to report. You need to be present at your court hearings.
Okay.
There will also be a stay away order from the alleged victim. I don't think you know who she is, but you are to stay 500 feet away from her. You are not to contact her, and you are not to ask anyone to contact her on your behalf. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. Corrections, pretrial services, alternate bond 500 with the stay away order. If you don't receive that court date by May 10th, you can either call the public defender's office or you can go to the Miami-Dade Clerk of Court website and check your court date there, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a nice day. What happened to Garcia Guevara?
You say Emery Gonzalez? No.
No. Garcia Guevara is the next one on my calendar.
He's off
I
calendar.
have him
Your
off
Honor.
calendar. Yeah.
He's off calendar.
Because that was the one who was reset from this morning.
Yes, it was reset, but he received a bond from you on yesterday on it.
Perfect. Listen, I am entitled to one surprise a day, and I had not gotten one yet, so I appreciate that.
Oh,
500. All right, let's go to Fleming. All right, good afternoon. Mr. Fleming, you have a new charge for failure to change your address on your registration within 30 days. How come you haven't taken care of that?
I just moved, man.
Oh, but you have a felony. Okay. All right. So make sure you take care of that, obviously, because
I will.
stinks to get arrested on that. But you have has he been to felony bond hearing already?
oh, Your Honor, he'll be going next. We tried to get you out first.
Well, I very much appreciate that. What do you think, Ms. Gordon? I'm going to tell you right now, he's suspended for no insurance. She's going to do pretrial services.
Yep.
Yeah. You want me to do an ROR on this one, or you want me to do pretrial services?
Judge.
You're okay with that, with the registration? Okay, all right, I'll do an ROR on this one, so I'll release a straight out release. You're gonna go see the judge on that felony right now. You live at 14501 Monroe Street, right?
That's my old address, ma'am.
Oh, let me have your new one, please.
14705 Dunbar Drive, number 203, Miami, Florida, 33176.
Where is that, Kendall?
Basically, ma'am, like Richmond Heights area.
Oh, never heard of Dunbar Drive. All right, they're gonna send you next door right now, okay?
Thank
Yes, sir. All right, let's go to page 7. We did Perry. Let's go to Ward. Off calendar. Mr. Ward, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You're here before me on a driving with a license suspended.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have another open driving with a license suspended from about 8 weeks ago. And on that case, you missed court last week, April 13th. So tell me why you didn't appear for court.
I didn't get the notice. Actually, right now I'm going through some things with my living situation, so I missed the court notice. I'm
Yeah, Judge, he's home. He didn't get the notice because he's been displaced.
Got it.
Been displaced. He's homeless now.
Got it. Okay. 8. Okay, 8 YE will be $1 bonds. And SKE will be 150. Call back. I did. In my defense, they were not in order. That's great. All right, Mr. Patel. Good afternoon, sir. You're not Mr. Patel?
No, Your Honor,
Did I skip somebody?
yes, ma'am.
Did I skip?
Ali,
Oh, I'm sorry.
Your Honor, he's also a fugitive from Hillsborough County. He has a total bond of 300.
Wait, I can't hear you.
He's also a fugitive from Hillsborough County.
Oh,
He has a bond of 300 on it.
got it. Okay, you're here before me on a no valid driver's license charge. I don't have a second. Okay. Is that okay, I'll set bond at 150. All right, and then Patel. Definitely not here. All I had left was this. I'm gonna need you to run the TPO on Patel. I got nothing and it's a DUI. All right, Mr. Patel, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you?
Good, sir. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
All right. So you are charged with driving under the influence and refusal to submit to a breathalyzer. How long have you lived in Miami?
2 years.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Jersey, about Philadelphia. I lived in both.
No, I mean, we're gonna end up waiting for them. Mm-mm. All right, I'll just leave bond standard.
Both counts are standard bonds, Your Honor?
Yeah, I was considering pretrial services, but not only 24 months. PHE bond 1,000 and PGE bond 500. Corrections, thank you very much for your consideration today. I really appreciate it.
We have that gentleman that we passed who refused,
Who?
Mr. Fontesi Williams.
Oh, you have him now, or he refused?
He refused, but I have the jail card now.
Oh, yeah. So tell me, ¿qué pasó?
They waived it and she gave him a bond of $1,500.
Dick-
500 each case. They waived the present.
Oh, okay.
So I'm waiting for presents as well.
All right, we'll do the same. 500 each. That way we don't have to see.
Okay, wait a minute. Can, Judge, before we leave, can somebody tell me what happened to Ronso Boso?
Yeah, we did him in the morning.
Yeah, he refused and we're gonna reset it. We refused again today and we're gonna reset it for tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, but we did that in the morning, right?
He refused, Your Honor.
In the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
he refused. No.
Oh, you tried again?
Yeah.
You guys are so sweet.
I'm gonna tell you your surprise was when we didn't have the meals here. You should see your face. That was your surprise for the day.
Yeah, it was. Listen, only because I'm on pickup duty. Otherwise, I'm like, I got nowhere to go. What else? What did you say?
Yeah, I don't want to see you on the news not picking up your children.
I know, great, right? Judge abandons child. That's great. Yeah.
Please call corrections.
He's gonna call you right now.
I'm gonna see you all tomorrow. So y'all have
Oh, where are you gonna be? No, come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna be home tomorrow praying.
Recording
what's wrong?
stopped.
It's all good. It's all
Okay.
good.
Whatever it is, I pray for you. And I'm happy for you. I think I should be happy for you. So, but we will miss you. Who's coming in, do you know?
No, they're trying to find coverage for me now, but I'm sure to be someone great. But Judge, nobody, you don't need to have anybody here.
Do my own thing.
You know PC, you give the bonds, you're pretty reasonable. We all know that on the reckless is gonna be 1,000.
Listen, I know, but the amount that you put in so much work and you really do a lot of good helping people. So it's a pleasure having you here.
Well, it's a pleasure being here.
Yes, the community deserves you. All right, well, I will see you Monday then. Have a wonderful 3-day weekend.
Yes, thank you.
Bye, everybody. See you mañana.